crispy rice cheese vadas. Boil 250 grams potatoes, mash well, add sabudana 100 grams, curd 50 grams, salt, mashed potatoes, chili powder, chopped onion, grated carrot, coriander leaves, green chilies. Mix well, add a little water and make a soft dough. Add oil to fry. Add some oil in the batter. Give the shape of vadas. Add cheese. Close and give again shape of vadas. Fry in hot deep oil until it becomes very crispy both sides. See how nice it is. Let us open and see. It's very hot, unable to open. See how cheesy, how crispy it is. Try yourself. Enjoy it.